Hello and welcome. We have the BeKind by Alltrue box. It took a little while to get here. Apparently they moved warehouses, which I'm sure is a daunting task. They just didn't bother to let anybody know. So I had several emails out to them and they finally responded that yes, the box is coming. It's just they're moving warehouses. I really think they could have done a better job in keeping the consumer informed. With that being said, we are still being allowed to make choices or customizations. So I'm happy with that. Let's see what we have for spring. First up, we get I'm going to call it's more than a brochure. It's a booklet with a lovely person on the front. It tells us about the items that you selected. That's why I have the stickers in there. You get recipes in here. You get journaling ideas, all kinds of fun stuff. It's not a book, but it's a magazine. This is a pretty item. I really like this one. Me too. This was choice or customization number 1 that I picked. There were other items. This is a hand-blown glass. The colors of it I like because it fits the color scheme for my condo. And it's in collaboration with Meals on Wheels. And there's a whole thing in the booklet that talks about how you can support your local Meals on Wheels, how you can make notes and send them to a certain location so that the notes get distributed to those that are receiving Meals on Wheels. Very nice idea. That set of 2 glasses had a $50 value. Next up, the item has a $24 value. It is an apron, and we're going to scoot over because I got a couple pictures of what the apron looks like when you're wearing it. It is made from cotton, 100% recycled cotton. The thing that caught my attention once I received it is that, yes, you can machine wash it, so that's nice. You have to lay it flat to dry. Will she remember to lay it flat to dry? Well, another sticky note on the outside of the dryer for a reminder. I like the fact that the pocket in front is split into 2 sections. One is smaller than the other section. I thought that was a helpful pocket. Customization number 3 has a $12 value. It is a set of 3 dish towels. I was pleased with the color that they actually sent me because when I was making customizations, they only had a dark brown color, which, although not my favorite, I could have made do with it. But I like the lighter color, and I pulled one out. If we can get it up here. Help me out, Miss Fatima. Let's see the size on this little guy. That's a good size. Yes, that's a good size. And Zule, I think, is the brand name here. Zule Kitchen. And this is a nice waffle weave, so that should be absorbent. And I can always put a dish towel to use. We eat in front of the TV, probably more than we should, but we do it anyway. It's always nice to have something to tuck in as a little bib. And what did I note on here? Oh yes, this was also a machine wash air dry. You're going to have lots of notes on your dryer for what can go in and what can't. Yeah, there's going to be sticky notes all over the dryer. Yet, I think it feels like a good solid fabric. Very pleased with this one. Is there anything else on here that I can tell you about it? And made with super soft cotton, extra absorbency, and they'll look beautiful in any home. In the first half of the box, Anne's favorite customization is the set of 2 hand-blown glasses. And I kind of gotta agree with her. What did you like? Did you see something that you liked? Let us know down below. I'm a nosy camel. And now, moving right along with this video. Customization number 4 has an $18 value. It is a plant-based leave-in conditioner. I was excited to see this for a variety of reasons, including the fact that we do leave-in conditioner battles on this channel, yet a plant-based product. Interesting to give it a try. What else can I tell you about it from the brochure? It's a brand called OMG Leave-In Conditioning Blend. Harness the power of berries, bamboo extract, and a blend of super fruits. That's an interesting combination. Yeah, and I tried to get a little sniff through the safety seal. It smells kind of fruity and kind of nice, which would make sense since there's berries in it. And let's see, not only will it improve the look of your locks, it reduces hair loss and protects your scalp. And Brand with Heart uses only cruelty-free and plant-based ingredients. So I guess there's more on their website. Oh, we might have to check that out. I might have to exercise my credit card. This next product is from Arrow. We used to see this brand a lot when we got the Birchbox. Yes, this apparently has a $25 value. It is an oil cleansing spray that is also supposed to give you refreshment to your skin. And it says that it's made with coconut oil and vitamin E, and this innovative oil cleansing spray makes it easy to gently remove makeup without an oily residue and leave the skin feeling extra soft and nourished. Oh, that will be neat to get to try one of the Arrow products again. Yeah, they were pretty good, I thought, for the most part, back when we got Birchbox. Next up, we have a group of under-eye masks or under-eye patches. I was very excited for these. They have a retail of $29. They were packaged in a group of 5 because it said you would get a group of 5. So 5 of them were packaged in this plastic container. And then the whole thing had an extra one, and it was wrapped up in this little plastic bag. And I kind of thought, well, okay, maybe they didn't sell as many of these as they thought they would, or maybe they got extras. I think part of the reason they're trying to get rid of these is on the back, and it probably won't show up, but embossed on the back, it says the expiration is 05/25. So I think they're trying to unload some product before it goes bad. Yet, still, with 6 sets, that's plenty of time to get them used. And so these, once again, are from Star Skin VIP, the Gold Mask Eye, Revitalizing Luxury Gold Foil Eye Masks. And it's stated to be travel friendly, and that's what it looks like. So, I mean, I'm not complaining about getting an extra one. I am glad I did stop and take a closer look at the expiration date. Anne says that her top 2 from this half of the box are the under eye patches and the plant-based leave-in conditioner. How about you? What did you like? Let me know. And now, of course, she wants to take a look at the nitty-gritty. Don't forget to check out our description box and check out our channel, subscribe and all that fun stuff, but she wants to check out the nitty-gritty. And taking a quick look at the nitty-gritty, the box is $55, the shipping is free, we have to pay tax. So we are all in for $59.99 per quarter. And you do get to customize. You don't get as many options as someone in the Alltrue box, yet there's still a good selection to choose from. I didn't feel like I was really having to compromise on any of my selections. And they had makeup, they had more skincare, they had an outdoor candle, they had different holders for things in this particular box. So it was a good selection. I really just wish they would have kept us as the consumer a little more informed as to why the box was delayed, because it was supposed to start shipping in mid-February. Thanks for watching today. Like, comment, subscribe, notification bell, all that fun stuff. We do hope to see you in another video. Bye-bye.